So what stands out to me right away about this song is that high guitar melody that's featured in the intro. So we're going to try to emulate that with the right hand throughout the arrangement. One thing to note about this tutorial is that the original song is in the key of F minor, but I've transposed the piano arrangement down to C minor to fit my vocal range. So in the key of C minor, that high guitar melody sounds like this. In the left hand, we want to emulate the bass. The bass notes are C, A flat, B flat, and then it repeats. Put those two together and it sounds like this. Now in the right hand, we're going to use some supporting notes to fill out the arrangement. To fill out the arrangement in the left hand, I'm using the bass note, a fifth above, and an octave above. Here's what the left hand sounds like. Put the two together. Let's move on to verse 1. So in the right hand, I'm playing a chord voicing that I think sounds nice over the left hand, which is B flat and E flat. Then there's a phrase on the guitar that I'm emulating using D and F. Now again, I'm playing fifths and octaves in the left hand with the bass notes C, A flat, B flat, C, A flat, B flat, then F, A flat, F, and A flat. Put them together and you get this. Now in the verse, you want to make sure that you're playing more quietly and playing fewer notes to bring down the energy. Here's that phrase that's happening at the end of verse 1. With the left. Moving on to the chorus. So again, we're trying to imitate the high guitar melody that's being featured throughout the song. Here's what it sounds like in the chorus. Add a few supporting notes. left hand, we're using the same concept as before as well. The notes are F, A flat, B flat, C. That's B flat, C, E flat, C, F. Put the two hands together. In the second half of the chorus, I decided to switch it up in the right hand to give it some variation. So we're playing C, G, and C. Then back to the guitar melody. After the chorus, we're going to go back to the intro, but we're going to play it an octave higher than we were at the beginning. Verse 2 is essentially the same as verse 1. We're playing the same chord voicings, we're just playing a little bit louder and playing a few more notes to create a little bit more energy. Here's the riff that I'm playing to transition into the outro. So again, we have the high guitar melody in the right hand. Coupled with supporting notes. Halfway through the outro, the right hand changes. It's the same exact riff and hand position, just slid up a perfect fourth. With the left hand, we're using fifths and octaves again, starting with C, then A flat, then F, G, F again, A flat, B flat, and C. Together with the right hand. For the very end, the left hand changes just a little bit. The notes are C, B flat, A flat, and we end on G. Thanks a lot for checking out this tutorial. Click the link below for more covers, tutorials, and sheet music. Also, feel free to leave a comment or reach out with feedback on the video. I'd love to hear from you.